In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons on Stremio. First, open the Stremio app on your device and give it a moment to fully load. You'll want to wait until you reach the home screen or the Discover page before doing anything else. Once you're there, look over to the left sidebar and find the Add-ons section. If your version of Stremio is using a more compact interface and you don't immediately see it, open the menu first, then select Add-ons from there. After that, wait for the Add-ons catalog to load completely. This page is where Stremio organizes the available extensions you can install. Near the top, you should see tabs for official and community add-ons. For this tutorial, go ahead and click the Community tab so you can view the broader list of available options. Now you can browse through the community add-ons, or if you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the add-on you want to install, then review the search results carefully. When you find the one you want, click on it to open the add-on details page. On this details page, take a moment to read the description and any available information. This is helpful for making sure the add-on does what you expect and that you've selected the correct one. Once you've confirmed that everything looks right, click the Install button. Stremio will now begin installing the add-on. Give it a few seconds, and once the process is complete, check that the status changes to Installed. That status update is the easiest way to confirm the installation was successful. Next, return to the Home, Discover, or Library section and open a movie or TV show title. Let Stremio load the available sources and content. This is where you can confirm that the newly installed add-on is active and working as expected. Anytime you want to manage your add-ons later, just head back to the Add-ons section. Open the Installed tab to view all of your active add-ons. If you want to review one more closely, select the installed add-on to check its settings or available information. And if you ever decide you no longer need it, just click Uninstall to remove it. You can repeat this same process anytime to install additional add-ons. As a final check, make sure your installed add-ons appear in your add-ons list so you know everything has been added properly. Thanks for watching.